My name is Shannon. I grew up in Calvert County, Maryland. In high school, I attended Huntingtown High, and for college, I am attending the University of Maryland at College Park. I am currently pursuing a dual degree in chemistry and English literature. I enjoy tutoring because I love that moment when you can see something just click for someone and they go from confused to understanding. And I think it's really exciting to help somebody achieve that. In my free time, I like reading. Sci-fi especially has been a favorite of mine. I like watching bad movies, like Sharknado is one of my favorites. I like spending time with my friends. I like playing lacrosse, and I like going to the beach.